Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. So it's been a long time that I recorded any videos, so this time I'm gonna focus on Android notifications and how you show it on your phone and the new changes that have been made in Android Oreo because to save more battery, there are changes which block your notification and you cannot, run them the way they used to run before Android Oreo. So let's get started. I'll show you step by step how we can create different type of notifications. So I have grabbed from some screenshots to show the different types and how we can build them. We'll look into our videos. So let me show you the type of notifications that we have. So I got it from the page. So this is the first one. So what this is a very simple notification that you get on your phone. So when you drag down from your phone from here, so you see all the notifications. So this is very simple. So in this scenario, the notification doesn't have uh, high priority. So it doesn't pop up on your screen while the phone is unlocked. It just pops on the status bar. So this is one. And the other one is the heads up notification. This is the notification which occurs, or you can say which pops on the screen when the priority of the notification is set to high. So, so this is something which doesn't require you to drag down the notification from the status bar. So the other one that we have here is the lock screen notification. You don't have to create any specific notification to show it. It just pops up on its own if you have the phone locked. And the last one is the app icon badge. So this is something new which is introduced in Android Oreo. So, well, I got the emulator of Android Oreo, so we can see that. So it will also appear on its own, but we will definitely look into it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna create a new project. So I'm gonna call it show notifications. Yep, I'm gonna keep it like that. Empty activity. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna make a button. As soon as we hit the button, the notification should pop up on the top of the screen. That is the status bar. So we're gonna start from very basic and then see what are the changes that have been made in Oreo, because the way we used to write the notification code has been changed, so it doesn't run anymore that way if you're working on Oreo as well. Perfect. So first of all, I'm gonna add a button. Okay, let's not remove it, let's change it. I'm gonna remove this. Oh, it's still building. Okay, so I'm gonna change the text to show all right, there we go. Show notification. All right, so this is fine. Layout height, I'm gonna keep it as wrap content. Okay, let's add a button very quickly here. I'm gonna keep a very simple UI. Okay, launch. Perfect. In the button, I'm gonna give on click event notify. Perfect. Alright, so now we can get started with the notification code. So first of all, we need to use a notification compat. So I'm gonna give some comments here to keep things simple. Okay, so the first class that we're gonna use is notification compat. Alright, so just keep on following how I'm doing it. So it's the notification compat dot builder. So dot builder, we're gonna create an object for this. So this is let's give it like an node builder equal to a new notification builder. Exactly. We give the context. So this is all right. If we stop here, let's focus on this line. We see this has been deprecated. It's deprecated for Oreo, not for the prior versions of Android, because that is the chain that I was talking about. If I'm working on Oreo, so I get to provide a channel ID as well, which is a string. You can name it anything, but you gotta give it some name. So it's like we're building a basic, so I'm gonna give it like yeah, basic notification. So that way it's happy now. So this is the new thing, Android, and which has been introduced in Android Oreo. There is a concept of channel ID, so you can hard code it or you can initialize it over there as well. So I'm gonna add simple things here. For a notification, we have a let's just look into this icon here. Okay, if we look into this one, there's this message. You can say a title, then there is some description about it. Then there is another image and there is another image. So this is a small icon, this is the large icon, this is the title text, and this is the description. Okay, so we're gonna create all of these right now. Let me make it a bit better for coding here. I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, set title, content title. I'm gonna give it like uh, let's keep it simple, a notification title. Another thing that is necessary is the text. So context text. Here I'm gonna give it like notification text. Okay, what else we need here, which is necessary in the beginning. So yeah, that seems like it. So that's where you build you can say the information about the notification. You can align it. Now there is something known as notification manager, which manages all the notification. It knows the notifications that are already there in the Android system. So let's create an object for this one, notification manager equal to, I'm gonna get the notification manager from system. That's why I'm telling you that it knows about all the notification in the system. Get system service and I'm gonna look for context, or you can say notification service. Yeah, perfect. So now there is one more thing. If it would have been or the prior versions of Android, so this is it. So I'm gonna first of all show how we did it earlier. So notification manager dot notify, and we just give an ID. So every notification has an ID. So if you're working with Android, then you know that there are multiple notifications. So if I give it an ID can be like 1, 2, 3, anything. So and I add the above notification here, the one that we build, and let's add build. That's it. So if I use this and I my application provides one more notification. So it goes up and it looks for the same ID, and then it finds that there's already a notification for that. So no, we cannot do that. Then we gotta change the notification ID then. So that way we have a separate notification for, or you can say separate ID for another for the different notifications. So if we run this, it's not gonna work. So it used to work. So I'm gonna show you what are the changes that we that have been made. So I'm not gonna go into the if and else for the versions here. So I'm gonna write the we create channel here. So let's see the notification channel, that is something new. I create object for this channel, new notification channel, and we give a channel ID here. So this ID would be the same ID that we gave earlier, if you remember in the beginning. So it's like the same ID. So I should have hard coded it, not hard coded it. So let me write it here. String channel underscore ID equal to, and let's remove it and hard code it. Oh, I mean, use the variable now. Perfect, and I'm going to give that here as well. Okay, so now that's it, and we need to give a name to this channel. So that is custom underscore notification. That's it, and the last one is the priority that we give to this channel. So notification manager actually has different level of notification. Let me show that to you. Notification manager dot. These are the importance or level of importance that you can give to each and every notification in your Android. So so by default in Oreo, things which are importance high, or you can say important max. You see the levels here. So so they are shown as the heads up notification that we were talking about. So let's keep it default now. That's it. What's it saying? Oh, okay. All right. So stairway. Okay, perfect. So it needed that. So now I'm gonna add this notification channel to my notification manager. So create notification channel, then I'm gonna pass the channel here. That's the additional thing that we need to do. Let's just check. So I'm gonna add a code here. Extra. Meanwhile, I'm gonna run it so that I have my emulator ready. Okay, so extra code for Oreo, you can say the notification channel. Okay, let's make sure if there's nothing that we're missing. So I have the notification channel, I have the title text. Oh, we are missing the small icon, so that is necessary. So r.drawable. I'm gonna get the something inside from the, that's the icon of the app. Let's try to run it now. Okay, so do we have anything on the top? Nope. Let's launch it. There you see a small icon has appeared, and which is a notification title, notification text. Nice. So that's just a very simple notification. If you see that it didn't appear floating right here on its own, I had to drag it. So it's a simple notification. That's it. I'm gonna cover other topics in my next videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.